Okay, today we are going to be doing surface area of a sphere. Okay, this is actually a fairly nice one. Okay, the surface area is simply 4 pi r squared. Okay, and that's given to you. Okay, so you don't even have to remember it. Okay, so if this here was I know it looks like a circle, but if this was a sphere, we would just say the SA for surface area is 4 pi r squared, which is 4 times pi times 6 squared. And if I put that into my calculator, gives me an answer of 452. It says 38. I'm going to do the one decimal place, so 0.4. And that's centimeters squared, because it's area. Okay, dead easy. Next one. Now we know the surface area is 4 pi r squared, but we don't know just yet the radius, because this here length is a diameter, so the radius is just half of it, so the radius must be 9. So I'm just going to say that is 4 times pi times 9 squared. Okay, I'll put that in the calculator, and I get 1017.87, so I'm just going to say 0.9 centimeters squared. Okay, and for today that's it. It's not too bad. Okay, nice to be short one for you today, guys. All the best, and I'll see you later.